I'm going to show you how to do the maintenance and replace the evaporator pad on a 1042 General Aire humidifier. This is the evaporator pad. This is the bottom drain pan. It also has to be cleaned and rinsed. You can set this one back. Once you have changed the evaporator pad, you can set it back. Opening at the top, a little hole at the bottom. You'll see the corners are round and square in the back. Now you want to rinse in here as well, remove all the calcium deposits. Let's put it all back. Place the tube back into the receptor. Tighten your solenoid valve. Don't forget to flush the drain hose as well. Thank you.